Prepare your Volvo L25 Electric for charging. Bring your IP54 charger close to a suitable socket outlet of your mains. Take the mains connection cable out of the charger storage compartment and plug it into the appropriate socket. Wait until the yellow status LED on the fast charger lights up and keeps flashing. Park the machine close to the fast charger. Make sure the ignition key is in position 0. Check that the battery disconnect switch is in on position and make sure the handbrake is activated and that the rear hood remains closed during the whole charging time. Take the charging cable out from the storage compartment and the charger. Remove the plug cover and connect the cable to the machine. Press the switch on the left inside the charging compartment. Close the charging compartment and lock it. The yellow status LED on the fast charger will change to permanent yellow. It then goes into the flashing green and finally permanent green. Now the charging of the machine starts. The display will show the state of charge and the time remaining until fully charged. To interrupt or finish the charging, open the charging compartment and press the charging switch again. Disconnect the cable from the machine. Put the cover back in place and finally close the charging compartment. The charging information on the display will disappear. Disconnect the other end of the cable from the mains and put all the cables back into the storage compartment.